Prachi Tiwari and today I am going to teach you a very interesting topic of class 12 macroeconomics, that is banking. Students, in this lecture video we will cover a limited aspect of banking. So the first and foremost thing, what is banks? Bank क्या होते हैं भाई? Bank is an institution which perform the function of accepting deposits, granting loans and making investment with the aim of earning profits. Students, बैंक कोई चैरिटेबल इंस्टीट्यूशन नहीं है, बैंक एक प्रॉफिट मेकिंग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है. स्टूडेंट्स, बैंक को हम दो कैटेगरीज में डिफाइन कर सकते हैं. फर्स्ट इज पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक्स and second is private sector banks. In public sector banks are those banks which is owned, controlled and managed by the government, and in private sector banks the things are owned, controlled and managed by private enterprises. The examples of public sector banks are SBI Bank, PNB Bank and so on. And the examples of private sector banks are ICICI and Kotak and so on. To understand this banking procedure, we take an example. Suppose there are two person A who deposits his earnings or savings into the bank, and another person B, who is a producer or a businessman. So, to expand his business, B borrows some money from the bank, and bank provides some interest to A for his deposits. So, students, the rate at which bank accept the deposits is called borrowing rate, and the rate at which bank charges some interest to his borrower is called lending rate. So the rate at which bank lend out the reserves to the investors is lending, and the rate at which bank accept the deposits is borrowing. And students, lending rate और borrowing rates का जो difference होता है वो हमारा बैंक का profit होता है, which is also known as spread. Students, lending rates are generally higher than the borrowing rates. So, difference between the bank lending rate and borrowing rate is known as spread or the profit earned by the bank. So, this is the whole process of the bank, or which is also known as banking. So, I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching this. Bye-bye.